IQOO 12 5G. So this mobile is going to release soon in India. So let's talk about this mobile. First of all, this comes with a 6.79, which is almost 6.8 inches of Quad HD plus resolution display, and it is going to be a LTPO3 120Hz refresh supported display. And this mobile display will also be a 10-bit display, which was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. And when we talk about the processor, which is the heart of the mobile, that this mobile comes with the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 5G processor. Now when we talk about the 5G, according to the news, until now this mobile might comes with 17 5G bands in India. Yes, and although this mobile is a power performance mobile and like the gaming mobile, this mobile comes with the huge camera setup at the back side. For the rear cameras, it comes the triple camera setup at the back side. Those are 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 50 megapixels of telephoto camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 64 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. So we can expect great camera performance with this mobile. And there are also news like this mobile comes with the improved night photography and also a improved portrait photography. Yes, and this mobile also comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And when we talk about this mobile's variants like the RAM and storage, yeah, this mobile might comes in two variants until the news now. Those are like 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, and 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage variants. Those are UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. Yes, and to power up this big mobile, we need a bigger battery. Yes, this mobile also has the bigger battery. That is, this mobile comes with a 5000 milliamp hours of battery, and it also supports 80 watts of fast charge through wire, and it also has the wireless charge which can support up to 50 watts. And guess what, the biggest plus point is this mobile comes with a charger which is a full 80 watt brick charger included in the box of this mobile, not like the other mobile brands which is cutting the chargers. This mobile comes with the charger itself in the box. And this mobile runs on Android version 14 out of the box with FunTouch OS at that time. And also this mobile comes with the IP68 water and dust resistant features also. And this mobile also comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. And this mobile also comes with the features like Wi-Fi 7, which is the latest feature, and also a Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3 features. And this mobile also comes with the complete metal and glass build. For the front and back it comes with the glass, and for the frame it is a metal frame. And this is also comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection in the front and back. And this mobile will be available in 3 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below. You can read them from there because they are hard to remember, you know. And yeah, this mobile also comes with a price tag. Yes, when we talk about the major thing, that the price. Yes, this mobile comes with a price tag of 69,999, almost 70,000 rupees for the top end variant, and for the base variant it might comes with the price tag of 64,900, almost like 65,000 rupees. So these are the price tags of this mobile. And when we talk about the other features like the box contents, yeah, it comes with a charger and a cable and also SIM ejector tool and some TPU case and some quick start guides or something like that. So these are the features of this mobile. So according to the rumors, this mobile might release by the end of November or by the start of December. Most probably this might release by the November end. So wait until this mobile releases and purchase the mobile and enjoy. By the way, if you're watching the video until now, subscribe to the channel, will be amazing. And also I have made a video about Oneplus Open yesterday. So you can watch that video by going to the description box and clicking the link, or by clicking the icon here in this corner. So that's it for the video, and thanks for watching.